This is the standard arm. Fully collapsed, 16 inches. Fully extended, 20 inches. The standard arm is used for working on our hands and knees or at ground level. Here's how it works. We engage, you can lock out, or you don't have to lock out. Either way, 50% load transfer away from my low back and knees onto an artificial arm. I'm physically closer to my work, and now I have two hands free for the detailed work that I'm doing. I'm not under stress, and yet I am able to maintain an otherwise impossible position. This is the backup standard arm for hands and knee work. Micro arm, 12 inches fully collapsed to 16 inches fully extended. Designed for subterranean work below grade, also designed for females who wear the device lower on their abdomen.